Hey money loves, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today's wig is from ReadyWig. This wig comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. It also comes with a light brown transparent lace that goes from ear to ear. I am going to be giving you guys the details about this wig, and stay tuned until the end because I will be showing you guys some hairstyles to do with this wig.
Okay, you guys, so this is what the wig looks like on. It looks so good. It just blends right into my skin, and you guys can see a little bit of my cap up here, but who's really gonna be looking at somebody's head like that? And if you are, mind your business, okay? So I know I've done pink hair a couple of times on my channel, but you guys know pink is my favorite color, so I cannot get enough of pink. And I have my pink little outfit on right now because these pictures are about to be popping, okay? So getting right into the details of this wig, if you guys see this wig on the website, you'll see that this color kind of sort of matches it. In person, it has more of a like yellow undertone than on the website. On the website, it looks like a little soft pink. So it's kind of like this picture right here, but it's not as bright. So I thought it was gonna be closer to this color, but as you guys can see, it's a little bit darker. Now, I don't think it's the same color as my last pink straight wig. I think it's just a tad bit more pale pink than the last one. And the good thing about this wig is that the parting goes back further. So my last pink wig was 13 by 4, but this one is 13 by 6. So you get 6 inches all the way back. So much better parting. The hairline was plucked to perfection. Like you guys know, I haven't had to pluck my ReadyWig wigs, and that's a plus, especially when it comes to synthetic wigs. You guys, it's already not real hair, and to have to go in to pluck the hair, it kind of is a lot. So I love that this hair does not have to be plucked or anything. It does have a little bit of baby hair, but you can make as much as you want and take away as much as you want as well. As you guys can see, I didn't do too much to the baby hair. I just did a little swoop for the edges, and then the hair does lay really flat, especially if you want to like tuck it behind your ear. Really flat. I did not have any issues with it tangling or anything. The only con I can say about this wig is the shedding. It does shed. So more information about this wig. This is the ReadyWig pink silky straight hair 13 by 6 synthetic lace front wig, and it's in 22 inches. Turn to the back so you guys can see how long it is. Now on the website, this wig does go for $59.99. However, I do always have a coupon code for you guys, so check my description box down below. And the website also have a discount if you guys go check that out. This wig is heat friendly. It says 180 degrees Celsius. Convert that to Fahrenheit, then you'll know. And the cap size is 21.5 to 23 inches. So my head size is an actual 23.5. I know it's kind of big, I know, okay. So it still fits my head really well. So that's them being generous with the cap size. I think it could fit bigger than that, like considering how much of the lace went over my ear. I definitely feel like it's going to be big hair friendly. No matter the range they put on here, it's definitely for big heads. If you guys want to, you can unhook the adjustable straps in the back. It'll give it some more space as well. I didn't. I actually clamped my end to make it a little bit tighter. And again, I showed you guys the lace was a light brown. You guys can add some light brown powder to it as well, or dark brown powder, however your skin complexion is. Add that to it. I decided not to. It looks like it's showing on camera, but I promise you guys, in real life, it doesn't look like this. It doesn't show up white or whatever is showing up on camera. I can't really tell right now. It looks way better in person. So you guys can add powder to it. I think it'll make it look orange, so I didn't add anything this time. Now the density of this wig, I would say it's about at 180, 150 to 180. It's not too much hair, but it's just enough hair, because I hate those wigs that are like super thin. You can see through them and you can tell, sis, especially when you're out in public and people are looking at it, you can see through that wig. So this is the perfect density. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just show you guys a few hairstyles you can do with this color, and I'm super excited for you guys to see that. So let's go ahead and get into that. She got me tatted on the body. I'ma tell her what to do, Mr. Miyagi. I'ma take her soul Illuminati, and it ain't nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do about it. Got me tatted on the body. I'ma tell her what to do, Mr. Miyagi. So that is pretty much all the hairstyles, you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite one. As you guys can see, it was very easy for me to comb out after all of those hairstyles. So if you guys want to know how to maintain your wigs, I do have a video I recently posted, so y'all check that out. If you guys want details about this hair, coupon codes and everything, look in the description box down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, you guys.